Hey guys, it's LBS here again, your tech guide. So today's video, we are going to be checking out the Comica Shotgun Mic. This is compatible with your smartphone devices, your DSLR, mirrorless, and of course your GoPro. So let's check out the feature, what it comes with inside the box. So right here, we've got all the features, what this thing can offer. I'll just put that on the screen for you guys to read. And yeah, so let's open this up and we'll try to test it out and see if there's really a huge improvement if we are going to be using this with a smartphone device. So let's crack this open here. So off the bat, it comes with a case, which is always good to have. Comes with all your instruction manual here, your warranties, and so on. So let's just put that on the side for now and let's check out the product itself. So the case itself is really nice. It's a solid build, as you can see. It's not going to damage the inside product. It's it's got a leather texture feel to it. Okay, and you've got a hook here if you want to attach it on a key or a keychain, key hook, or whatever you want to attach it to. But anyways, let's just open this up and see what the product looks like. So here it is. Here is the microphone itself. Very small and lightweight. I could even measure the weight here just to show you guys how light it is. So it is 33 grams, very light. Let's check out what else it comes with. You got your wind muff over here. You've got your anti-shake mount. It does come in red as well if you want to go for that option. And you've got a lot of cables here and some accessories. So right here, it comes with two cables, one for the smartphone. It's labeled for the camera. This one is for the camera, so for your DSLR, your mirrorless, your GoPro, I think. And the other one is for your smartphone devices. All right, which I will be trying out. Inside here, you've got your wind muff. Your windscreen, I mean. All right, and what else does it come here? And you've got a bracket over here, which you could attach it to, I think, to a gimbal. I'm not too sure. I think this is too small to be attached to a gimbal. Okay, and you've got an Allen key here to tighten up this mount. Okay, so other than that, I'm gonna put them all together. I'm gonna use my Note 8 to do this test. Let me just try to put this all together just to show you what it looks like. Okay, and this one you just hook it up at the bottom. Okay, and make sure you grab the right cable for your camera. Okay, so this is the one. And for the setup that I'm going to be doing my test, I'll be using my Note 8 attached to my selfie stick right here. So I'm going to extend this all the way to approximately 2 feet long. I'm going to mount my Note 8 like so. Clip it on my mounting clip here. Hold on, let me just close this. Okay, and then on top you need an extra bracket right here so that you could attach your shotgun mic on top like so. And with the cable, you just all have to do is just attach this and you are ready to go. So that is my setup for my tests. I will be showing it to you on the next clip. So on the test, I will be using the shotgun mic. While I'm talking, I'm gonna remove it, and then we're gonna see the difference between the audio from the Note 8 versus the Comica. Alright guys, so here's the test of the audio. I'm using the Samsung Note 8 with a selfie stick that is extended approximately 2 feet long. I'm not using the Comica shotgun mic yet, and I just want to let you guys hear what the sound quality is like on the Note 8 without this Comica shotgun mic not attached. So now I'm going to attach it. Let me just plug it in right now. Alright, so it is fully plugged, and again I am using the same setup, roughly around 2 feet long, and I am using the Comica shotgun mic right now. So I don't know if the sound quality, if there's any changes, let me know. This is just a raw footage, raw test, just for you guys to hear. My tone and my volume, my voice is exactly the same thing when it wasn't attached with a shotgun. I'm gonna take it off right now again. Okay, so now it's off, and hopefully you guys can tell the difference between the audio. So I hope it did improve with the shotgun mic, which I'm about to attach again. And there you go. So I hope this test was helpful for you guys, and if you guys are interested in getting one for yourself, I will put a link on the description below where you can get one. And that's pretty much it, guys. Once again, thank you for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.